Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you Tiptoe Through the Tulips. It's popularized by Tiny Tim in the 1960s. In Tiptoe Through the Tulips, there are quite a few chords, but thank goodness they're pretty easy. We have a C chord, we have an A7, we have a D minor, and for that I usually, because you have to get these two strings, I often will just collapse my knuckle. So I have a bar. It's very similar shape to F. We also have an F. We have a G7. We have an E7, which is just one finger change from the G7. We have an F minor, which is kind of tricky because you have to do here, here, and then pinky there. Really pretty chord. We have an F sharp diminished, and that's kind of like when you take these two fingers like you would in D7, and then you take the other two fingers and do that. You can leave that chord out. If you don't feel you can do a 4-finger chord, leave it out and you will be 100% fine. We have a G6, which is like a G chord. You just take that finger off. And then the other two chords that are tricky are B7 and E minor, but there's an easy way to do them. If you take your E minor shape, which is this, and just move it over a string, you have B7, and then you move a bit there, and you have E minor. And the two chords follow each other in the song, which is super nice. The strumming pattern I'm going to use is down, down, up, down, down, up, and that's it. So have fun. Thanks. Tiptoe through the window, by the window, that is where I'll be. Come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Shadow of a willow tree, come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Dee dee, in flowers we'll stray, we'll keep the showers away, and if I If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.